You gonna make hookers and blow fast, Michael?
Yep.
How you gonna do that?
Putting something on the window.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're out of focus. Now you're better. Your giant nose we get from Mom. It's just like, it's just like, it's just not proportionate.
Can't help it.
Yeah, you can.
Get a nose job.
You can chop some of it off.
I was gonna say, stop snorting the blue pill.
I don't.
Snort the blue pill.
It's a purple pill.
Are you having trouble there, Michael?
Nope.
What's taking you so long? There you go.
The gooey.
Oh, big reveal. Big reveal.
It's crooked.
It's crooked, Michael. Don't do that. More to your left. No, your other left.
You want a level?
Your other left, Michael.
My left is my left.
No, your other left.
The left is that way.
That's crooked as day
It's
is.
down left. That's your other left.
Wow, that's
It's you
horrible,
have one
Michael.
upper left and one downer left.
That's awful.
Down with your
I'm
finger.
trying to video
down
your...
with your finger. Down, 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 down.
Boom.
There.
Too much.
Too late. It is what it is.
Reveal, Michael. Boom. Look at that.
Don't push your glass in.
Yeah, don't break the glass like Dad has done before.
Alright, what about
Well, that's crooked as day is long. That's too low on that side.
guess I should just put it up top.
You could have put it over the boobies and just said JEGS equipped makes me smile.
Here.
Your truck is now JEGS equipped.
That's right.
What do you say?
JEGS.
I was actually going with thank you, Rob. You're awesome.
Thank you, Rob.
Oh. Not a bad looking tech.
Nope.
Matches your Mopar gauges pretty well. Silver bezel, white face. Silver bezel, white face. It really pretty stuff, and well, actually,
Interior's kind of crappy.
I am looking at your interior through my phone right now because I didn't get the camera out, and I'm just like, yep, that's lipstick on a pig.
Yep.
That's okay.
It'll change.
All right, that's a short video for everybody. Bye. Say bye.
Fine.
That's Michael's daughter, by the way. Dad.
Bye.
And you're not going to see my face, but just imagine that, but younger and cancer-ridden, but good-looking. So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. JEGS.